G'day gang, VE Commodore with a code in the check system that says that it's running too cold, that the thermostat's partially held open. Consequently, it tricks the engine check light, and it's quite a bugger on these 3.6s. Well, this is actually a 3 litre Alloytec. Not a very good design. The thermostat itself. Hang on, I'll get a light. Okay, so we're looking down the back of the engine, and where are we? It's hard to tell where I'm at. Yep, that's it there. See that pipe there? Oh. See that pipe right there? That's part of the thermostat housing on the back of the engine. Now, some guys have taken the transmissions out, some have done it the way I'm about to do it. I haven't done it this way on a VE yet. 2010 this car, but my plan is we'll pull the plenum, all this muck away from there, because there's a lot of overhang. Hopefully it'll give us a bit more swing room. We'll remove the manifold, inlet manifold, and then we'll attack the thermostat housing bolts. And here's the thermostat housing. It's quite large. Comes with bolts and comes with a new gasket and O-ring seals for the heater pipes, which are the heater pipes, those right there. That's a heater pipe. It goes around the back. There's 2 of them. So it's quite a pain, but nevertheless, I'll start tearing it apart. So with the upper plenum trim missing now, gone, I've got a heap more room. I can actually get my hand down there now and grab onto the pipes, so we're looking better. Now what I've got to do is I'm going to take the inlet manifold off, and then we should almost be able to start removing the thermostat housing. So the next move will be removing the breather hoses or breather pipes and stuff like that, breather and heater hoses and things, just to give me a bit more room down the back of the engine there. I don't think I'm going to have to take the manifold away. I think that should be alright sitting up there, but if not, it's not a biggie. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to start with these 2 heater hoses. And we can really get a good look at it now. There it is. There's the bugger. See it through that little gap through there too. There's bolts. There's one there. There's a conglomerate. I think there's 1, 2, 3. There's usually 4. There's two 2 hold the heater pipes on, 2, 3 hold that housing on. So we'll undo the, I think that one's going to be, that one there is going to be underneath the pipe or something. So we'll get the pipes off first and then we'll pull the housing out. And so, yep, I think I've undone the pipes, I think. Well, that's going to be one. Is that the other one, or is it? No, I think that's it there. Okay, so what have we got here? There's a little bracket down here. Feels like that might be a 15 mil. So you can see that nut just here, I think. On there. Undo him, and these pipes should pull out. So there's the heater pipes out of the way. Got me beat why they think you need that bolt to hold that. Look at it. That's all it holds. Anyway, way too long for the purpose. So next we're going to have to get, when you look at the new one, there's a tag that comes off the bottom, off the pipe, the inlet pipe, or outlet pipe, sorry, inlet pipe, yes, inlet pipe. And that's held into that little spot there with a bolt. So now we have to get that one out of the car. And you'll feel it down here. You have to do all this in braille. Now there, you can just see it there. You can just see it right there. That's him. That's the one. Oh, focus. There we go. That fella there. So we'll undo him. And then we've got some bolts for that main housing bit, and bam, she's out. Hasn't taken too long so far. And there it is. The old gasket. We have to scrape all the muck off of that. We'll have to use a mirror. More than likely. Let's just have a look. We'll grab a mirror from over here. Can't really see much without the 7 hands. We need a few hands, but it's the way I'm going to have to work. I'm going to have to use a light down the back there with a mirror to make sure all that muck's all scraped away. All the old bits of gasket, although it's more the coating that's on the metal gasket that needs to get scraped off. Anyway, the new one's going to go together with some silicone. Says GM, so it's more than likely an original. More than likely an original. Now this car's got 200,000 kilometres on it, and I think it's probably time it had another thermostat. But it doesn't look stock apron, that's for sure. So yeah, guess we'll prep the area and put the new one in. And well on the way back, there's the new thermostat housing. We've got the bottom hose, bottom pipe hooked up here, and it's just a matter now of putting the rest of it all back together. I think I've probably spent about an hour and a half, a bit more maybe on that to get to that point. Yeah, better than pulling a gearbox out, as some people do. Some people just pull the transmission out, get it from behind, and that's a much easier way that way for sure. Done it on the earlier models this way, but the first on this series, so yep, that's not so bad. Anyways, have a good one. Check you later.